powder forms.
Is that what you buy at the stores?
Yeah. Okay.
Later on, I'll look and I'll see if I got my quarter pound.
I got first. First race, I'll go first. Afterwards. So you'll have to be ready. You basically just take the chalk, bring it right once you get done making you.
Three, 2, 1, go! Nice.
18:03.
3, 2, 1, go! Nice. Easy. 2, 1, go! Yep, Tim with a brand new rig. Oh no. 3, 2, 1, go! Guys are killing me with the derricks. We got 3 derricks running today. 2, 1, go! Good. You're good. Getting some guidance from Dad. 2, 1, go! You got Sue, part of the family racing team. They also have a one-to-one rig that looks exactly like this. Oh, save it! There you go. Yeah! Kick that turbo on.
Yeah!
Spin around. Or go backwards. There you go. Way to finish. Way to finish. 1, go. Somebody trying out a fancy design here. A little mohawk going on. Nice. There you go. Way to put down a time. 2, 1, go. Oh, he's making a run for it. Nice. 1, go. There you go. Nice. 1, go. Nice. Nine, 2, 1, go. You got Zach with a brand new Donald Jenkins chassis, brand new build. First time hitting the hills. Nice, and he makes it through without scratching it.
It's like it never misses.
It's like a skateboard.
Nice. There you go. Nice run, bud. 2, 1, go.
I'm still got a little shake going on.
Nice run, man. 3, 2, 1, go. Jesse Roman with a very unique build. Nice. 1, go. Rob does it all the time. Nice.
There we go.
Oh.
Back it up. All right, now go forward and right and left.
Yeah, there you go. Whoop.
See it?
There you go.
A little low.
Nice.
It's just supposed to look like that.
That's really nice.
Nice run.
Yeah.
1, go. These guys drove all the way from Vermont. Yes, they don't have a bouncer, but we still letting them race. Come have some fun with us. And hammer down. Oh! Nice! Nice! There you go! 2, 1, go! Noisy Rhino is sounding very quiet today. Nice. 2, 1, go. Yep, Max running, 5 years old. You got it, bud.
Yeah. There we go.
Good job. Nice. Whoa!
Yeah.
You told him to punch it. There you go. Nice. 2, 1, go. Nice.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Trevor was here last a couple weekends ago for the bouncer event where he competed in the 1-to-1 version of Ratchet. Oh. There you go. Nice. 2, 1, go. Another part of the team that drove all the way from Vermont to come play with us, come to check out their first RC event ever. So of course we let them join in on the fun. He's got a custom Gen 7. Oh, he lost front.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, good little drop.
2, 1, go. Nice. 1, go. Zach's kid Logan, run with Zach's old rig. I believe he calls it Dirty Sanchez. That works.
Oh, okay, that works.
Nice.
It's a good day for me, man. I love it. Know that watch big buggy videos, racer videos, full videos.